guys, so today I have this month's Coven box to show you. Everybody seemed to love the last month's box, so if you've not watched that one I will link it down below in case you want to go and watch it. I have to say I think it's probably one of my favourite unboxings I've done in quite a while because it was a horror themed one, so I loved that one. This is a UK box and it's £33 a month and they do ship it to other countries, so I'll put all of the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. And also if you get one of the plans, so the 3, 6 or 12 month plans I think it is, and you use the code LUNA, you also get the big heart Scream Queen bag that was in the last video, as well as a free extra gift. So I'll put that here now. Use the code LUNA if you're going to get a plan this month. And yeah, we are going to open this and see what is in this one. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it says Spooky for Life, join coven.co.uk, and it seems that this month's theme, June's theme, is Cauldrons and Crystals. It says thank you for your order, Luna, at the bottom, and this month we have a little booklet. We didn't have one of these last time, so in here we have, I'm not going to read everything, but we've got a little horror rewind of like a featured film. We've got spooky dates in July. We've got Bites and Brews, so it shows you how to make a strawberry shortcake jar and a moonlight mint brew, which sounds amazing. They also donate £1 from each box to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation as well, which is so sweet, so that is here. And then this just tells you about everything in the box this month. I'm going to show you though, so we're not going to read that. And then on the back it tells us next month's theme, which I'm also getting, and that one is Summerween. So that sounds super exciting. If you know me, you know I love Halloween, so very, very excited for that one. I am not the biggest fan of cauldrons or crystals, if I'm going to be totally honest, so this might not be my absolute favourite box in the world, but they're all different. Like I said, the last one that they sent me, probably one of my favourites I've done in years, and Summerween sounds super exciting as well, but we will have a look. I might love this. So we have some little stickers right on the top, 2 little crystal stickers. Hopefully you can see that. It's quite a light pastel-y kind of colour, and then that one as well. Always love little stickers. I keep them in a little pouch in case I ever want to put them on anything. So just 2 little crystals. And we also have this little like calendar sheet, so it's a July sheet, July 2025. It says key ghoulish goals I want to accomplish this month, and then there's 1, 2, 3 the month. Just a cute little, like, you know, calendar-y kind of sheet for the month of July right on the top there. Okay, so this seems to be big boxes that we have in here, so I'll start with one of those first. So this looks like a money box, I would say. Yeah, little like savings money box. It's a ceramic big pot. It says Magic Potion on the front, and it's in the design of a cauldron with like a green slimy potion coming out of the top. So we have our money hole here, and then a little rubber bottom to take off to get it out. Pretty cute, honestly. I don't usually love cauldron things, but I don't think I have a money box, so at least it's very unusual and stuff. And I do like that it's got this green slime part as well. It'd definitely be handy to like keep somewhere and put your change in. So that is our little cauldron money box. Then next I'm just going to do the next big box item as well. I'm actually going to go grab some scissors because it has tape on it, so I will be 1 second. Okay, I finally got it out. So, oh, this is quite cute. It's a little cauldron with like crystals coming out of it. So I think that this is the quartz light up cauldron. Looks like this. It's from the brand Elata Giftware. Very pretty. Love the colours. I love these like pinky purpley kind of colours. It's showing up a lot darker on camera, but in person it's quite like light and bright, if that makes sense. It is the same on both sides, and it's got a little Oh, I don't know if I can get this out. It's got a little plastic thing in the bottom. I want to show you what it looks like lit up though. I might have to go get some tweezers. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. Oh, I don't think you're going to be able to see that on camera. Okay, so this is it off and this is it on. So you can see it a little bit. But I feel like that at night time would look really cute. I feel like people are going to like that. So that is our little light up quartz crystal cauldron that we got. Then next we've got a cauldron bottle stopper, or like a wine stopper. Hopefully you can see that on camera. It's just like a little ceramic cauldron up at the top. I might take this to my mum's. I feel like she would love this. I don't drink or have any bottles that need like corks in them or anything, but I'll take this to her in case she needs that. But very cute though. Then we have a crystal. We've got an opalite. Super pretty. I love these iridescent-y looking kind of coloured stones. It's like clear but with blues and pinks and yellows in it. It says a man-made glass resembling opals. It's celebrated for its holistic properties and aesthetic appeal. Connection. It connects individuals with their spiritual guides and the spirit world. Calming the mind, it's believed to promote a sense of calmness, making it a good stone for meditation. Overcoming stress and anxiety, it's said to help settle nerves and overcome stress and anxiety. Manifesting success, it's associated with self-confidence, creativity and awareness, making it a good choice for manifesting desired outcomes. And chakra alignment, opalite is thought to resonate with the solar plexus, throat, third eye and crown chakras, promoting balance and flow of energy. So that is our little stone that we got as well. Then we have this, which I think is like a little wooden sign. It says Crystal Witch. Looks like this. You could hang that anywhere really. It could be like on the wall like the ones behind me, or you could hang it in the kitchen or something, or on an altar. Maybe even outside, honestly. I'm not sure how it would hold up outside though, but cute little wooden sign. Then next we have some little earrings. If you watched my last one, you'll know I'm not really an earrings girl, so I won't wear these, but they are quite heavy though. I feel like they're not cheap, silly little earrings. They have some weight to them. They're on these little hooks like last time. And this is what they look like. So they have like a black circle gemstone here at the top, and then they have these little silver cauldrons at the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. I'll try hang them both here over a nail or something. That is our little earrings that we have. Then we also have, I think, a necklace as well. Oh, this one's cute. I feel like my mum again would really like this one because it has a turquoise in it. So it's like a little cauldron with mist or smoke coming out of it, and then there is a little turquoise stone here at the bottom. So it's just on a normal silver chain, and it's got little stars and moons on the smoke as well. Hopefully you can see that well on the camera. Very cute little cauldron necklace. Then definitely got some other bits in here. I'm going to chuck some peanuts on the floor because they seem to be filling this box out. Okay, so we've got a little patch. Very cute. Just a little iron-on or sew-on patch. It says Hocus Pocus. I like that. I think that's pretty cute. I love Hocus Pocus, the film. We have a pin. Again, I really like this pin as well. Upside down. It is a little cauldron, and it's got sparkly, like light blue crystals in the top. It is just one pin, so it is kind of spinny, but that is okay though. I still think it's a very nice, simple, pretty little pin. Then we have a little tiny magnet. It says there's a mischief brewing. I'm kind of seeing a little theme from last month's and this month's. We got a magnet, a patch, and stickers and a pin. So maybe every month you get magnet, patch, stickers, pin, art print as well, which I've not shown you yet. I think it's just more the main bigger items that are different every month, possibly. Might be wrong though, I've only had 2, so I'm not sure. And then this is our print. I actually really like this print. I think it's super, super pretty. It's very dark and spooky and mysterious. It's kind of like in the woods at night time. There's a moon in the background. And then it has this big crystal cauldron at the front, which kind of looks like this cauldron, honestly. I feel like they've definitely taken inspiration from that on the art print. But yeah, that was made by Coven as well, so that is very, very pretty. I love that one. And yeah, that was everything in the June Cauldrons and Crystals Coven box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once so we can see it. Hopefully I can hold these because some of them are weird shaped items, but we will try our best. So we had the art print, which I think is super pretty. We had the opalite stone, the little cauldron enamel pin, the Hocus Pocus patch, the little There's Mischief Brewing fridge magnet, the 2 little crystal stickers, the wooden crystal witch sign, the cauldron necklace with the little turquoise stone, the dangly little cauldron earrings, the little cauldron bottle stopper, which I just dropped and broke. It now needs gluing back together up here, so I'm gonna not hold that for now, but I will mention it again in a second so we don't forget. The Magic Potion Cauldron money box, and this light up little crystal cauldron as well. I'll put those on top of each other. I think that is everything. So all of these items and the cauldron bottle stopper as well in the June Coven box. Actually really liked this one. I feel like it's not my theme, but it was the best of what could have been from this theme for me, if that kind of makes sense. So like I said, I'm not a cauldrons and crystals kind of girl, but I feel like it was really cute items though. The necklace is pretty, the pin is cool, the patch is cool, the print is super pretty. I actually really quite like this little crystal cauldron. So yeah, I feel like overall this was a really nice box. Like I said, I'll put all of the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out, and you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one, what your favourite item was, all that kind of thing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!